Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's transforming our world in ways we never imagined. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mind-blowing AI tools that you need to know about. Stick around because the last one will absolutely blow your mind. From generating art to coding entire websites, AI is reshaping how we work, create, and even think. So let's jump right in. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Imagine having a personal assistant, tutor, or even a creative writing partner available 24/7. ChatGPT can draft emails, help with coding, write stories, and even explain complex topics in simple terms. It's like having a super intelligent friend in your pocket. Visual prompt. Show ChatGPT solving a coding problem, writing a poem, and summarizing an article. Next is DALL-E 3, also from OpenAI. This tool can turn your words into breathtaking images. Whether you want a futuristic cityscape, a fantasy creature, or a realistic portrait, DALL-E brings imagination to life. It's perfect for artists, designers, and anyone looking to visualize their ideas. Coming in at number 3 is GitHub Copilot, the AI-powered coding assistant. It helps developers by suggesting entire lines of code, fixing bugs, and even explaining complex functions. It's like having an expert coder looking over your shoulder, making programming faster and easier. At number 4, we have Runway ML. This tool is revolutionizing the creative industry by making advanced video editing accessible to everyone. With just a few clicks, you can remove backgrounds, apply Hollywood-style effects, and even generate entire video scenes. It's like having a movie studio in your laptop. And finally, number 5 is Descript. This all-in-one tool is perfect for podcasters, video editors, and content creators. It allows you to edit audio and video by editing text. Yes, you heard that right. Plus, it features Overdub, an AI voice cloning tool that can replicate your voice to fix mistakes without re-recording. Mind-blowing, right? These AI tools are just the beginning of what's possible in this tech-driven era. Whether you're a student, artist, developer, or entrepreneur, there's an AI tool out there to make your life easier and more exciting. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Oh, and if you stuck around till the end, here's a bonus. Midjourney, an AI that takes digital art to the next level. But that's a story for another video.